little known fact, did you know it's illegal in some states to drive with a tow hitch connected and you're not towing? You can't just drive around with it. Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Lawrence, and due to that interesting fact, when we first started RVing, I was a little bit worried about driving around with the hitch in the back of the truck. You see it everywhere though. I've never seen anyone being stopped for it. However, I also got angry about the hitch rolling about in the back of the truck when we were driving around without the trailer being hitched up. So I came up with a genius contraption, which is this. Now, I built this back in 2018, and I've used it the whole time, apart from one time when I found a black widow hiding in here. He's dead now. Anyway, imagine my surprise when we got to the Tampa RV show this year and I found that someone had stolen my idea. Not only stolen it, but made it much, much better. Let's roll the intro and I'll show you what I mean.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
All right, and here it is. It's the EZstor Hitch. Now, we spent some time with these guys at the Tampa RV show. Terry and Jennifer, I believe. Terry invented this out of pizza boxes. Obviously, pizza boxes won't hold the weight, but he was fed up with having nowhere to store his hitch. So as you can see, ours is just lying on the floor here because we're at our home base, but we're on a campsite. It does annoy me that I don't really have anywhere to secure it. So anyway, we were talking to them, and this is fantastic. This is made in the USA. It's amazingly powder coated. Even the welds and everything look fantastic, so I can confirm just by taking it out of the box the quality is fantastic. Now, it's very easy to install. All you get is this one large bit. They do a light version as well. We don't have that, but if you want a simpler version, there is one on the website. So here's the main part. You also have two small black brackets and then four massive bolts which hold it on. And so I'm planning to keep this on here permanently. The light version just clips over. You can keep it in the storage bay. But let's get this installed. It shouldn't take very long, in theory. It's going to take me longer to find the wrench than it is to actually install it. So this is the basic location of where it should be. Now, there's a few things you need to navigate and you need to check with your trailer. Also, I know that Terry has installed this on a whole bunch of different trailers and knows all the little things you can tweak. But the few things that I'm worried about here is, one is the propane, so I can't move it over here. These are for the sway bar, so our sway bars will attach onto here. And then this goes here, but I'm a little bit worried that when this bracket is on, if it's going to get in the way of the sway bars, so we'll have to see that. But I can move it back over here, so we'll see if that will work. But basically, you put it on here and then you store the sway bars down in here.
Hitch?
The sway bars here and then the hitch here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it does both.
Look at me. Shut up, Natalie.
Yeah, shut up, Natalie. Just look pretty and hold the camera, would you? All right, so you can put it on either side. The reason I'm not putting it on this side is because this is the VIN plate here. So I want to keep access to this, so I can't actually put anything here. The other thing that you might find gets in the way either way is there's normally a battery box here. If you go back and watch our Battleborn battery video, we actually removed the battery here and rewired it and put it inside the storage bay. One, for security, I didn't want my battery getting stolen, and two, it's better for the temperature in there. Like if we're in extreme colds or extreme hots, it's vented and heated in there. So the battery box may be an issue, but you can easily move that around. There's a whole load of space here. So I'm putting it on the other side, not the side with the VIN. Let's see if this will work. We pretty much just skipped the whole install because I needed two hands for this. So I had to hold this whilst screwing these on. It's only finger tight right now because I just want to make sure that this is actually going to work. So I'm going to do the other two up finger tight with the cross bracket underneath. And then I'm going to test it and make sure that everything fits and that the sway bars can go on and that everything fits in here, and then I'll show you how it works. So give me a sec, fast forward. Time to get physical, physical. Time to get physical. Oh, bollocks.
What?
Put it in the wrong hole. Again. Right, Natalie, here's the cleverousness. I never replaced the stickers on these. I need to recondition the whole thing again. I have got new stickers though. I'll just ask the Equalizer guys, I'll do that. So here is where it gets clever now. Oh, it fits. So you slide this in here, and then you have a little hole there, so you can keep the thing and the pin hang.
Ah.
See, let me get the other one. But it gets better. Wait, there's a thing I like most about this. Well, I didn't think they would fit. They would. You can actually slant this up as well. So this is actually on a hinge. So if you need it to go further down or further up, you can do that as well. Looks like we don't have to. Right.
That's cool.
Now you're like, oh, that's just the sway bars. What about the hitch? Well, luckily I have one right here. See how cool this frame is? It's great. Don't need it anymore. Okay, now this, I haven't even tried putting this in yet. So, okay, there's an issue. So this is meant to go in that way, but that's not going to fit
And it can go the other.
because I've had to push it so far over so the thing, but you can put it in this way. So. There we go.
Who says you have to put it the other way?
Well, the good thing about the other way is that this covers this, which stops these from getting stolen. So there is holes here where you can put a locking hitch pin in,
Right.
so no one can just come up and steal everything. So another interesting fact that Natalie just reminded me about is Terry was saying that in case you're worried about this getting stolen, obviously you can have the pin lock in this to stop people stealing that, but they could literally just undo 4 bolts and take it off. So a trick to do that is once it's installed and you know where you want it, it's all secure, you can just smash the ends of the bolts, and so that they're bent so that there's no way you're getting those out of the thing, so it is all secure to the A-frame of your trailer. There's no one stealing that unless they steal the whole thing.
It's,
So-
just, it's in the way of the things getting stolen still.
No, it's not.
It is. How are you going to pull the sway bars out?
Oh, that's true. Okay. No, I mean you could, yeah.
Okay.
You could.
Not easily though.
Not easily, no, you're right. Okay, so there's a couple things here. So one, I'm actually quite happy with it because I'm not too worried about people stealing this stuff. I mean, I don't want them to steal this stuff, but it would rarely happen. But we can try and mess about with it a bit. Maybe there's another placement we could put it where we could get this around the other way. I'm not sure. I think best bet would be over here, but it's not going to fit in there, so maybe not. These, unfortunately, I can't really move because when I installed them, you had to do special measurements to get these in the right thing along the tongue. So in order for the Equalizer and the anti-sway bars to work, they really need to be where they are. But I'm more than happy with that. This is literally all I wanted. This is fantastic.
Somewhere to dump it that's not sliding around in the back of the truck and clunking every time I go shopping.
I think I just ate a fly.
Or staying on the truck and someone walking into it and breaking their shin.
Yes, normally me, which is crazy. So yeah, anyway, well, it's fantastic. Honestly, I'm so impressed by the quality of it, I think.
Yeah.
I'm so used to getting, this stuff, sent
Cheap,
over
because
from
you're cheap.
cheap other countries. Yeah, but one thing I will disclaim is that Terry gave me this for free in exchange for our honest opinion of this. So yeah, so from right now, I'm really happy with where it is. I don't think I'm going to mess about with this too much because I don't see any other way. But what I will do is I will email Terry and just say, hey, is there any other solution to this? Because we have a cap that hangs over like an Airstream or something where it's there, it'd be fine.
Yeah.
But there's so much space here. So I'm going to email Terry, but I'm very happy with this so far. Like, this is way better than it. Honestly, we just leave it dumped on our driveway.
We do, it's very frustrating.
it looks really ghetto. So all right, so there's that, and I'm going to keep the wooden thing just because it's built that, my brother, my friend.
So we get a discount, right, for our viewers?
I don't know, do we?
Yes, I believe we get 10%
Cool.
using the code Brits.
Brits.
Brazen Brits. I know
We'll
nothing.
leave all the details below. But yeah, I think they did mention something about that you guys can get a discount. In fact, even when we were at the show, people were coming up and buying these. So.
And getting the discount.
So yes, if you have a travel trailer, sorry fifth wheel guys, Class A's, Class B's and C's, well, they might do. This could be
Boat
useful. I wonder.
trailers,
Yeah,
horse
I wonder if they
trailers.
must have stuff.
Up
This
and
is relevant
coming.
for everyone. Like they must like people with tow cars, but I think they just hook up, don't they? I've never hooked up a tow car to a.
No. You're rambling.
Before. I'm rambling now. Anyway, yep, really like it. Very cool. Terry, I'll be in touch. I want to see if there's anything we can do about this so that can go the other way and it can lock. Apart from that, if you want one, we'll leave all the details below. Thank you for watching this very short video. I was expecting this to be much more interesting install, but it's very, very simple. Terry, you're a genius the way you've designed it. If you like this video, I'm going to leave a playlist up here that you can go and watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you really liked it, hit the thanks button. Why are you laughing at me?
It's like you've forgotten how to do it.
I have. We've just had lunch. I'm like in a food coma, yeah. That's why Natalie's behind the camera. All right, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next week.